Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So today I just received a package from FedEx and it's from eLady. So if you're not familiar with eLady, they are an online shopping platform in Japan and they are like famous for selling watches, especially Omega watches. But today this one is not an Omega, so I'm very excited to open up the box and share with you guys what I have purchased recently. Well, the entire shopping experience from eLady is great because I believe I made the order on a Saturday and they ship it out on a Monday, I believe. Yeah. So, but Monday was kind of a public holiday in Malaysia, so I only get to receive the watch today. So, let's see. Okay. All right. I'm gonna move this away. The watch is kind of like what do we call a vintage watch, so it doesn't come with any box or papers, but for the price I paid, I think it's worth it. I didn't expect them to give me at least a cardboard box, so yeah, I'm good. Ooh. Wow. Okay. So this is the watch. As I mentioned, it's not a Omega, but it's rather a Tudor. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the watch and yeah. Okay. I'm not sure if it's showing up in this video, but the dial, it's a linen dial. Yes. If you recall my previous video, I just purchased kind of a modern linen dial watch from Islander. Is an Islander, so it's from longislandwatch.com. So yeah, it's the brand of the watch is an Islander. So that I'd say it's kind of a modern reinterpretation of a linen dial. But this one, yes, I got the real thing. You know, not exactly the real thing. It's a Tudor, so it's I would say a cheaper or more affordable version of a Rolex. You know, back in the olden days. This watch, I believe the reference number is 74,000 and something, if I'm not mistaken. So if I'm wrong, I'm going to put like a correction here. It's from the 1980s, you know, circa 1980s. So yeah, the watch is slightly younger than me. Yes. So yeah, but the thing is that it's still in a very good condition. Well, why is it good? Because it has been polished. So it was disclosed that the watch case has been polished. I think they changed the crystal because I think that the crystal is almost flawless. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, the crystal may have been a new one. And they definitely polished up the case. Of course, you know, there's some deep, what do you call the dents and whatnot. But it's still a good condition, in my opinion, especially for a watch from the 1980s. Yes, back in the olden days, bracelets comes with folded links. You know, yeah, all the links are folded. Comes with hollow end links. Pressed metal clasp. Yeah, I'm not an expert in any vintage watches, but you know, I find it kind of secure or safe when buying from established or well-known Japanese website. For this case, I purchased watches from eLady. I purchased watches from Timepics. You know, so they in a way acts as a mediator, meaning that they will get the watch from the seller. They will do some kind of an inspection to make sure that if it's okay before they ship out. So before I purchased this linen dial watch, I actually purchased another Tudor. It's a fluted bezel with a blue sunburst dial. Tudor is a fluted bezel type. From the pictures, it looks great. You know, everything's like okay, not perfect, but you know, the condition is good. But the representative from eLady actually contacted me because when they received the watch, they realized that the dial has been repainted. And they actually contacted me and asking me, okay, the dial is repainted, so do you want to proceed? Or, you know, if you do not like a repainted dial watch, you can just cancel the order. Nothing, you know, no issue at all. So yeah, repainted, really not my cup of tea, so I decided to cancel the order. And after that, I found this and I had to get it. So let's see. So again, it's an older movement, right? I don't think it's hand-windable. Yeah, no, not hand-windable. You cannot wind the watch. But when I just move the movement, I noticed that the date changed after 12 o'clock. So let's try this again. So this is 12 noon. Alright, so changes time, I mean the date quite accurately. I believe it has been serviced before. Unfortunately, I still do not have the case back tool for the Rolex case back. So I'm still waiting for mine to arrive. I bought one from China, so I thought it's gonna arrive faster than a watch, but yeah, no. But oh, it's hand-windable. Okay. Yeah, why wasn't like hand-windable just now? Oh, it's stuck in a date position. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, makes sense. So it's a hand-windable movement. If I'm not mistaken, it's an ETA 2824-2. I may be wrong, but if I recall correctly, it's this movement. So it's kind of a, if you want to call it, cheap movement. Yes, it's kind of a cheap movement, and that's the whole point of Tudor back in the olden days. So basically, they shared the same case as Rolex, and then they rebranded it as Tudor, and they used a more affordable, I shouldn't use the word cheap, a more affordable movement, and they managed to lower down the price. So basically, you're getting a, in a way, a Rolex, but with a more affordable movement. So that's the whole point about Tudor. But it has changed nowadays. You know, Tudor is like being branded of its own. And I heard rumors, or I shouldn't say rumors, because a buddy of mine just purchased the Tudor Black Bay Pro, which is the 39mm version with the GMT hand. In order for him to be able to make a pre-order of that watch, he was asked to buy another not so popular watch from Tudor. Yeah, so they have become like a Rolex. Right? So this one, I think is really great. The condition is good. If you don't mind that it's a polished case. Let me just look at the bracelet. I think the bracelet has also been polished before. I can see some dents here. Yeah, it's not that nice, but what do you expect from a, how many years old? 40 years old watch? Yeah, something like that. It's still good, I would say. The end links kind of okay. Yeah, everything has been polished. It is quite clean, so I was thinking like, yeah, maybe I should, you know, remove the bracelet and dunk it in my ultrasonic cleaner, but I don't think I have to do that. It's kind of good. It's really good. Alright, so if you're interested to know more about the watch, I will be doing a full review of this watch after wearing the watch for a couple of weeks or months. And if you do not want to miss out on that video, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. And yeah, if you want to be notified on any new videos that I will be releasing, just hit the notification bell icon. Alright, I guess that's it. You can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch, but I'm not that active there anymore because of the whole Instagram algorithm thing, you know. So yeah, I'm still alive there, but yeah, so I'll be doing more YouTube videos, or not more. It's gonna be a regular schedule, but yeah, you know. So yeah, that's it for this video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.